Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel SVP Class. I am your lecturer Mrs. Sabina Pathan. In this video, we will study about management and science. Now you will think, science? How come here? No, it's not about physics, chemistry and biology, huh? But here it is scientific analysis, means deep and accurate study of each and every aspect of the organization. So dear students, to understand the relation between the management and science and how to use scientific principles for managing the entire organizational activities, F.W.Taylor has given scientific management theory. So, we will study this theory here. So, do watch the entire video to get deep understanding of scientific management theory, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel SVP Class. Let us study the introduction first. F.W.Taylor was an American mechanical engineer. He was born on 20th March 1856 and died on 21st March 1915. He had started his career in Meadville Steel Works in the year 1878. In the beginning, he was just a machine operator, but through his hard work and progress, he rose a position of the chief engineer. Taylor has conducted lot of research, observations and experiments on employees which was based on scientific data. His scientific approach towards management helps to make effective decisions as well as help to solve various problems of the organization. And through his research and experiments, he had developed scientific principles of management, which was published in his book Principles of Scientific Management in the year 1911. And because of his scientific approach towards management, he is known as Father of Scientific Management. See the definition of scientific management. According to F.W.Taylor, scientific management consists of knowing what you, that is management, want men to do exactly and seeing it that they do it in the best and the cheapest manner. I will explain you with the help of simple example. Dear students, you all know chess game, right? In chess, we see different characters like king, queen, bishops, pawns, rooks, etc. Each one has their own role and they move on their particular direction only. So here no chances of unnecessary moves, right? Same in case of scientific management. What Taylor wants to say here is, first you decide what you want from your workers. Assign work to them in which they are expert and see to it that they are giving their best or they are giving their 100% or not for completing the task, and also ensure that there should be least wastage of resources and maximum output. Now we will study what are the scientific principles given by F.W.Taylor. There are total 6 principles that we will study here. First one is science, not rule of thumb. Harmony, not discord. Third, mental revolution. Fourth one is cooperation, not individualism. Fifth one is division of responsibility. And sixth one is development of employer and employee for greater efficiency and maximum prosperity. Now let us discuss all the principles of scientific management in detail. First principle is science, not rule of thumb. In order to increase organizational efficiency, the rule of thumb method should be substituted with the methods developed through scientific analysis of work. Rule of thumb means decision taken by manager as per their personal judgment. So to increase organizational efficiency, decisions should not be taken on intuitions or on trial and error basis. Instead, there should be scientific analysis of work at each and every activity of an organization. See, second point is Taylor insisted upon scientific method for every small work. Standard required time and standard output should be defined by the manager, which help in saving time and human energy and will get the expected output. Here, according to Taylor, the manager has to select the best way of performing a job through scientific analysis. Like before assigning tasks to the employee, the manager must study the standard time and standard output to save the time as well as human energy. For example, even a small production activity like loading iron sheets into a boxcar can be scientifically planned, like how much time required, and then what are the resources required to perform this activity, etc. So everything should be well planned in a proper order so as to get the desired result. Second principle is harmony, not discord. Harmony means unity or understanding between the management and employees, and discord means disagreement between people or lack of understanding. See here, according to this principle, there should be harmony between the employees and management. Coordination will help in minimizing conflicts between them. Perfect understanding between employees and management will be helpful in creating healthy work environment for achieving the desired goal, that is success. And organization should always think about maximum prosperity of the employees. See students, there are so many employees working in an organization from top level to lower level. So, there is a need of coordination among them to reduce the conflicts between employees. If there is a good understanding between management and employees, it helps to create good or healthy atmosphere in the organization, which leads to growth and success. Even organizations should provide incentives, promotions and training to employees for their maximum prosperity. Third principle is mental revolution. In simple words, mental revolution means change in thinking, both on the part of management and workers. See in this principle focuses on change in the attitude of employees and management towards each other. Both should realize their equal importance in organization. They should give full cooperation for achieving goal of organization, which will increase productivity and profit. Here, the workers should give their best or 100% in work so that the company makes maximum profit. And on the other hand, management should also share profit with workers in the form of incentives. Thus, mental revolution requires complete change of attitude of employees and management, and they should also work as a unity to achieve the goal of an organization. Fourth principle is cooperation, not individualism. Cooperation means acting jointly. or to work in unity for achieving the desired result. See here, emphasis should be given on mutual cooperation between workforce, that is employees and management. Due to cooperation, trust, team spirit, etc., internal competition will turn into healthy working environment. Management should always consider the suggestions given by employees in decision-making process and treat them as an integral part of organization in all respect. This principle states that the work should be done in cooperation and with mutual confidence. Employees as well as management both should cooperate each other. Cooperation helps to build friendly atmosphere in the organization. Even management should always welcome the suggestions and ideas given by employees in setting goals of the organization so that the employees will cooperate sincerely to achieve the goal. See, at the same time, employees should resist themselves from going on strikes and making unnecessary demands from management and should treat each other as two pillars of organization. Like if any problem persists regarding incentives or regarding working environment, etc., so instead of going on strikes, they should communicate with management and should find the solutions on the problem. Fifth principle is division of responsibility. Proper division of work should always be accompanied with division of responsibilities between the managers and employees. Major planning is done by the top and middle level management authorities, whereas employees are concentrating on its execution. Managers should always help, encourage, and guide the employees, which helps for best performances of managers as well as employees. See, this principle says that there must be equal division of responsibility between the managers and the workers. The top and middle level management are responsible for planning and organizing work, whereas the workers are responsible for execution of the plan, but proper execution of work is possible with the help of guidance and timely advice given by the manager. So, the division of work and division of responsibility always occurs at the same time. Sixth principle is development of employer and employee for greater efficiency and maximum prosperity. Here, best performance of any organization always depends on the skills and capabilities of its employees to a great extent. It is essential to provide training and development programs to employees wherever required, which ultimately affects the profitability of the organization. And each employee should be given proper opportunity to attain greater efficiency and maximum prosperity. Here, the organization can prosper only because of efficient and skillful employees. So, while selecting the employees, utmost care should be taken and they must be given job as per the expertise knowledge in their respective field, capabilities as well as skill. The organization should also give training to the employees as per changes in the business environment. See, for example, you all know there is constant change in the technology. So, here manager has to adopt those changes, update his organization with the use of latest technology and should give training to employees for using standardized tools or machineries. So, training helps the employees to work with greater efficiency and organization will also prosper because of efficient workers in the organization. So these are the 6 principles of scientific management given by F.W.Taylor that we have studied in this video. I hope you have understood all the principles. Dear students, if you think this video is helpful for you, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel SVP Class. Thank you and stay connected with me for more videos.